In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Vanilla card not working. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go ahead to your Google and you're gonna type in Vanilla gift card. Now once you have typed that in, you're gonna go ahead and click on the first website where it says buy Visa gift cards. You're gonna right click and open the link in a new tab. Now, once you're here, you're gonna obviously go ahead and click on activate your card because that's where you're gonna activate it. So you can use it on different platforms. For example, when you're trying to buy a game or doing anything else. So now here is where you might face an issue. So let's say you type in a few numbers, your card number, obviously this is fake. So I'm just showing you an example. So a month and a year and a CVV number, all right? Now I click on continue and let's say it doesn't go ahead or it says an error has occurred, okay? So now in that case, you'll have to make sure of one thing. So let's say you're using Opera, you're using Google Chrome, whichever web browser you are using, you'll have to make sure that your ad blocker is turned off. So as you can see, I'm gonna pause it on this website always. So you guys will have to make sure that whichever web browser you're using, you'll have to make sure to see if any ad blockers are activated. And if they are, make sure that you deactivate them or else you can't go through this activation of your Vanilla gift card. So now I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the process. Vanilla gift card, I'm gonna go to the website, activate your card, and now if you type in your digits, your month and the year and the CVV, and now if you continue, it should go ahead properly without any error. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.